Hello and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video we're going to run through the .NET Run command. So let's get to it. So I've created a new folder called .NET Run, and inside that there's a source folder which contains the previous tutorial, the .NET New. So if we do an ls, you can see that I've got program.cs and a run.cs proj. If we cap the program, we can see that it's just got a console.writeline, which should be quite familiar to you now. And if we do .NET-H, you can see part of one of the SDK commands we have run. So build and run a .NET project output. So if we do .NET run, you'll see that it builds a project and outputs the hello world. So this is just an alternative to if we would open it up in Visual Studio. Let me take a second to load because it's the first time opening. And you've seen in previous videos you can just press the play button against an application and it will run the program. So as you can see, normally when we do it in the IDE, it builds and runs, but it opens and closes because it's done with the program, because we don't have the read line in. But yeah, that's an alternate way to run the application that you're building just directly in the terminal instead of using an IDE. See you in the next one.